Ergonomics, tips for a healthy work environment. In today's fast-paced and technologically driven world, many individuals spend a significant portion of their day working at desks or using computers. As a result, the importance of ergonomics in the workplace cannot be overstated. Ergonomics, the study of designing equipment and devices that fit the human body and its cognitive abilities, is essential to creating a healthy and productive work environment. Proper ergonomics can help prevent musculoskeletal disorders, increase productivity, and enhance overall well-being. In this article, we will delve into the principles of ergonomics and provide actionable tips for creating a healthier and more efficient workspace. Understanding ergonomics. Ergonomics is about optimizing the interaction between people and their work environment. It focuses on creating a workspace that suits the individual, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing efficiency. This involves considering factors such as posture, movement, lighting, equipment design, and overall workspace layout. Key principles of ergonomics. Maintaining neutral body postures. It's important to encourage natural and neutral body postures while working. For example, keeping the wrists straight and at a natural height when typing can help prevent strain and discomfort. Providing adequate support. Chairs and other work-related equipment should offer proper support to the lower back, arms, and neck. A well-designed chair with lumbar support and adjustable features can greatly contribute to a healthy posture. Encouraging movement. Prolonged sitting or remaining in the same position for extended periods can lead to stiffness and discomfort. Encourage employees to move and change positions frequently to prevent muscle fatigue and strain. Optimizing workstations. The arrangement of the desk, monitor, keyboard, and mouse should be designed to minimize strain and maximize comfort. The monitor should be at eye level, the keyboard and mouse should be at a comfortable distance and angle, and the desk height should allow for proper arm positioning. Reducing excessive force. Minimize the amount of force or effort required to perform tasks. For example, use ergonomic keyboards and mice that require less force to operate. Providing adequate lighting. Good lighting is crucial for reducing eye strain and enhancing productivity. Ensure that workspaces have sufficient, well-distributed lighting to avoid glare and shadows. Customizing workspaces. Recognize that each individual may have unique needs and preferences. Providing adjustable furniture and equipment allows employees to tailor their workspaces to suit their own comfort and requirements. Tips for a healthier work environment. Now that we have an understanding of the principles of ergonomics, let's delve into actionable tips to create a healthier work environment. Invest in ergonomic furniture. One of the fundamental steps in promoting a healthy work environment is providing ergonomic furniture. Ergonomic chairs that support the natural curve of the spine, adjustable desks that allow for sitting or standing, and supportive footrests are crucial elements to consider. Adjust workstation layout. Ensure that workstations are set up to promote proper posture and alignment. The top of the monitor should be at or just below eye level, the keyboard and mouse should be at a comfortable height, and the chair should support a natural sitting position with feet flat on the floor. Encourage regular breaks. Promote a culture of taking short breaks to stretch and move around. Encourage employees to stand, stretch, or walk for a few minutes every hour to prevent stiffness and enhance blood circulation. Educate employees. Provide training and workshops to educate employees about ergonomics and its benefits. Make them aware of proper posture, desk setup, and the importance of regular movement throughout the day. Implement an ergonomic assessment. Consider conducting ergonomic assessments for employees to identify potential issues and recommend appropriate adjustments. An ergonomics professional can provide personalized recommendations based on individual needs. Offer ergonomic accessories. Provide ergonomic accessories such as keyboard trays, monitor stands, and adjustable footrests to enhance the comfort and efficiency of workstations. These accessories can aid in achieving optimal positioning. Promote a health-conscious culture. Encourage a healthy lifestyle by promoting exercise, good nutrition, and regular physical activity. A healthy body is better equipped to handle the demands of a sedentary job. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess the effectiveness of ergonomic measures implemented in the workplace. Gather feedback from employees and be open to making necessary adjustments to further enhance the ergonomics of the workspace. Consider standing workstations. Offer standing desks or adjustable desks that allow employees to alternate between sitting and standing. Standing periodically can help reduce the strain on the lower back and improve circulation. Optimize lighting. Ensure that the workspace is well lit with adjustable lighting options. Employees should be able to control the brightness and direction of lighting to suit their tasks and preferences. Encourage healthy habits. Encourage employees to maintain good posture, stay active, stay hydrated, and take breaks to rest their eyes. Healthy habits contribute to overall well-being and productivity. Provide ergonomic training. Offer training sessions or workshops on ergonomics, covering topics such as proper desk setup, correct posture, stretching exercises, and tips for maintaining a healthy work environment. Conclusion: prioritizing ergonomics in the workplace is essential for creating a healthy work environment that supports employee well-being and productivity. By implementing ergonomic principles and providing employees with the necessary tools and knowledge, organizations can reduce the risk of workplace-related injuries and enhance overall job satisfaction. Remember, a small investment in ergonomic improvements can yield significant returns in employee health, happiness, and performance.